Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be testing out viral art hacks. So I found some videos on YouTube that have some art hacks that I just want to try out. And there's a lot, so I'm probably going to make a part 2, maybe even a part 3. But today, I'm going to be testing out 3 of those hacks. I will leave the link to the video that I found in the description down below. Check it out if you want to do these hacks. But I'm going to see if they really work. And I think they might because the video doesn't really look too sketchy and they show how to do it. So, yeah. Let's just get started. Alrighty guys, so I'm back with all the supplies that we need. I have my water. Wait, why does my water smell like coffee? Anyways, I have my water, my marker that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to be using this Copic marker that I have. I have my paintbrushes, but this is the closest, I guess, to a watercolor brush. I don't really know this stuff. I have my little sketchbook that is pretty messy. And then I have the little thing that, it's kind of like what she used. She used like a little container thing. I'm just going to use the top to a container. So let's see if this works. I also have a Crayola marker in case if the Copic one does not work, because this is an alcohol-based marker and this is just, you know, normal like little washable marker. So I'm gonna see. Let's put a little bit of marker on here. I'm gonna test out the Copic first and then just color it on, I guess. Alrighty guys, so this next hack is to make DIY Mod Podge. I think it's what it's called. So I do have actual Mod Podge. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. I hope I'm not, but anyways, you just need water, glue, any school glue would work, I guess, and something to mix it with. So I'm just going to try that, and I'm going to use it on these 2 popsicle stick bookmarks that my friend gave to me and made me. So I'm going to be testing it on this one and see if they feel the same, if they work the same. So let's try it. I guess all you have to do is just pour glue in and then you just mix it. It didn't say like equal parts or anything, so I might have too much water. And why is my glue not mixing that well? Hold up. Did I already fill out this or? Alrighty guys, so now that it looks pretty good, I'm gonna get my paintbrush, my crusty paintbrushes. I'm just gonna be painting it on one side. That way it can dry. It's not smudging it, so. And I put a good equal amount. So, since she used Mod Podge on the other one, I'm gonna see how good it is. I don't know if this one's gonna work. So I covered it all on, and I'll check after the video, after we do the last hack, to see if it works. I mean, it shouldn't take too long to dry since it is just school glue and water. And Mod Podge itself doesn't take that long to dry. So let's see. Now onto the third and last hack. Alrighty guys, for the third and final hack, it is to remove Sharpie from things, and it gave like a whole list and what you need to use, but I'm just going to be doing the one that teaches you how to remove Sharpie from fabric. So I mean, I know this really isn't an art hack, but I guess it could be used for artists who get Sharpie on stuff. So I have, for my little fabric, I have this little cloth thing, because I'm not going to be wasting one of my shirts if this hack does not work. And then Sharpie, and then it says use hand sanitizer. So I'm going to go get some hand sanitizer, and let's see if this works. Alrighty guys, so I have the hand sanitizer, and I guess we just draw on this little rag. So I guess I'm just gonna do that. I mean, do we just draw like that? I don't know. It wasn't really specific. Just showed a picture. And then hand sanitizer. And I guess you just rub it in. I don't know. I put 3 drops of it. Oh, wait. It's actually doing something, though. Wait, I think it's actually doing something, but we put some more on and then just rub it. It's like hardly removing it, though. See, guys? It like hardly removed it, but it did put a little stain on my desk. So, maybe if we put a little drop, you guys can't really see it, but right there. And then we get this and then rub it. See, okay, so it removed it from that. It removed it from the wood. So, I mean, I guess this hack does work, but not really on fabric. So, I mean, I know it works if you get Sharpie on like a whiteboard. So I think hand sanitizer is the way to go for almost everything. It removes from wood. It kind of removes from fabric. But I don't think it's the person who made the video's fault because I guess they found the picture online. So I'm going to give this hack a meh because it does work, but at the same time it doesn't work on what it said that it would. So now let's see how that one hack turned out. I also forgot to say, it did stain my nails, the Sharpie. Oh my gosh, it's all over my hand too. Wow, that hack really did not go out good. Wow, okay. Anyways. Alrighty guys, so here is how it turned out. It literally did nothing, so. Yay! This is the one with the Mod Podge, and then this is the one without it. I mean, it's kind of shiny, but it also has glitter on it too, so. That really did not work. It really did not work, so I would give this video a 1.5 out of 3, because one of the hacks really didn't do what it said, but it worked for something else, and it was extremely messy. Mod Podge hack didn't work, but the first one was pretty cool. Alrighty guys, I hope you all have an amazing day. Peace out. Love you guys so much, and bye.